In this video, you'll learn how to display dollar amounts in Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to see your balances in USD, making it easier to manage your cryptocurrency assets. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This step is essential as it allows you to access the Trust Wallet extension. Once the Google homepage loads, you can proceed to the next action. Next, locate the Trust Wallet extension icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of your browser window. Click on this icon to open the Trust Wallet interface. If the extension is not visible, ensure it is installed and enabled in your browser's extension settings. After the Trust Wallet interface appears, look for the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon or a menu labeled Settings. Click on this option to access the Settings menu, where you can configure various preferences for your wallet. Once you are in the Settings menu, find the section labeled Currency. This option allows you to choose the currency in which you want your balances displayed. Click on Currency to view the available options. At this point, you will see a list of currencies. Scroll through the list until you find USD or United States dollar. Select this option to set your preferred currency. This action is crucial as it ensures all your balances are displayed in dollars. After selecting USD, navigate back to the main interface by clicking on the home icon. This will take you back to your wallet overview where you can see all your assets and balances. Finally, locate the option labeled Show Balance. Clicking this will enable the display of your balances in USD. You should now see your cryptocurrency amounts converted into dollar values. If you do not see the changes immediately, refresh the page to ensure the settings are applied correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.